A very good morning, class. How are you all? All are fine? All are good at home? So let's start today's class. Children, today is 31st December 2020 and the day is Thursday. I am taking your revision test. It is revision test 5. Children, you are doing practice of maths at home. आप लोग मैथ्स की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो ना बच्चों घर पे? So it is your oral test. Children, it is your oral test. So be ready for this test and give me the answer at home. The question is take the correct answers. Children, there are some options given and you have to tell which one is the correct. बच्चों आपने इन ऑप्शंस में से बताना है कि कौन सा आंसर सही है. Question number 1. We go to bed at dash. हम सोने के लिए कब जाते हैं? Afternoon. A is afternoon, B is evening and C is night. We go to bed at. हम किस समय सोने के लिए जाते हैं? Just give me the answer quickly. Afternoon, evening or night? Which option is correct? Tell me quickly. We go to bed at night. हम लोग सोने के लिए रात को जाते हैं. Now you can understand how to give the answers. बच्चों आपको समझ में आया आपने कैसे आंसर्स देने हैं? Just tell the answer at home and then I will tick. Okay? I will make it right. Question number 2. A clock has dash hands. Clock में इतने hands होते हैं. कितने होते हैं? Just tell me जल्दी. Tell me the answer quickly. A is 5, B is 2 and C is 4. Which one is correct? A clock has dash hands. A clock has two hands. Now is that clear? You have given the answer at home. बच्चों आप लोग भी आंसर दे रहे हो ना पीछे पीछे? Okay, that's good. Now let's start the question number 3. How do we write 61? What is written here? 61 in words. हम लोग 6161 किस तरह से लिखेंगे? Children, just see here. The options are written. There are 3 options are written. Just read them carefully. Read the spellings properly and then give the answer. How do we write 6161 in words? Just read these spellings. Can you understand? Now tell me which one is the correct answer. अब आपको समझ में आ गया है ना ये क्वेश्चन? चलो बताओ जल्दी से कौन सा आंसर सही होगा इसमें? It is 61. The spelling is of B. यानी कि ऑप्शन बी में जो स्पेलिंग है वह सही है. SIXTY 60 ONE1. It is 61. Question number 3 is clear now. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is of jumble table. It is of jumble table. Now let's just read what is written here. 4 9s. टेबल्स आते हैं ना बच्चों आप लोगों को? आप लोग टेबल्स लर्न करते हो घर पे? So let's just give me the answer quickly. What should be the answer of 4 9s? The three options are given here. A is 36, B is 38 and C is 34. So tell me quickly which one is the correct answer? 4 nines are? टेबल्स बोली आप लोगों ने बच्चों घर पे? 4 nines are 36. The answer is 36. A option is correct. 4 nines are 36. Now it is clear to you. So let's come to the next question. Children, let's read question number 5. The numbers are written here: 7, 15, 23, 31. Is an example of skip counting by. चिल्ड्रन, ये जो नंबर्स लिखे गए हैं स्किप काउंटिंग की हेल्प से लिखे गए हैं और कौन सी स्किप काउंटिंग इसमें यूज की गई है? जस्ट रीड दीज नंबर्स केयरफुली एंड फाइंड आउट द series. Find out the skip counting. The options are: A is 8, B is 5 and C is 7. Just read these numbers and tell me which skip counting is used in these numbers. कौन से skip counting की हेल्प से यह नंबर्स लिखे गए हैं? Can you understand these things? आपने skip counting यूज करके देखी? तो कौन सी skip counting की हेल्प से यह नंबर्स लिखे गए हैं? 7, 15, 23, 31. It is used by skip counting 8. Question number 5 is clear? बच्चों, आपने घर पे सॉल्व किए थे ना ये क्वेश्चन? So the answer is A. Skip counting by 8. Now children, let's read question number 6. What is this, children? It is a sandwich. That's good. Now let's read the question. A sandwich has dash corners. सैंडविच के इतने कॉर्नर्स होते हैं. बताइए कितने कॉर्नर्स होते हैं सैंडविच के? सैंडविच कौन सी शेप का एग्जाम्पल होता है? Which shape is this? And how many corners are there? A is 5, B is 4 and C is 3. Now tell me quickly, what is the correct answer? A sandwich has three corners. A sandwich has 3 corners. समझ में आई आपको ये चीज? Sandwich is an example of triangle shape and where are the corners? 1, 2 and 3. These are 3 corners of the sandwich. Is that clear to you? Now read the next question. Question number 7. How do you write 100 in words? 100, 100. Now children, tell me, आप लोग 100 किस तरह से लिखोगे words में? These are the spellings written here. These are the spellings written here. Just read these spellings: A, B and C. Just read these spellings. Which one is the correct spelling? आप लोगों ने नंबर नेम्स लर्न किए थे, स्पेलिंग्स लर्न की थी। नाउ टेल मी 100 किस तरह से लिखा जाएगा? द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग इज दिस, ऑप्शन ए, HUNDRED 100. नाउ द क्वेश्चंस आर क्लियर टू यू? बच्चों आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गए? So children, it was your today's test. And now do practice at home and enjoy your new year. Okay? Happy New Year, children.